When you need a professional investing strategy because IFAs, fund managers, and wealth managers have been letting you down and your own approach isn't systematic, it's the odd tip here and there, might I suggest that you adopt a professional approach which examines the valuation of companies? You better make sure you've got a large sample set. I mean, we go through 10,000. So this should start getting you thinking that you can then examine through their valuation, their revenue growth, their dividend yields, factors which you know from Nobel Prize-winning literature are important factors which then are correlated to future stock price movements as opposed to guessing them based on what journalists might say. But I also suggest that you consider the Sortino ratio, which measures average returns and downside volatility, alongside the cash return on capital invested, the Goldman Sachs sort of gold standard measurement tool as well. When you do those, you'll have got 99% further than most people. Now, at the end of that, what we tend to do for clients is also then look to see how any stocks in a portfolio that meet those criteria have historically performed. Did they all move in lockstep with each other? Were they highly correlated? Did some move less volatile than others? Did some volatilities cancel out others so you didn't have all your eggs in one basket? That then allows you to filter out to another level again. And that's it. 2 stages. You can add a third, which is then to look at the companies themselves. What do they do? How does the current economic cycle affect them? But more importantly, how would the next 2-3 years, where interest rates might be rising, where there might be lower growth, i.e. the worst case scenarios, impact these companies based on how it did historically. So you at least want to look how they did in 2022, for instance, rising interest rate environment, lower growth, not just the good periods, the purple periods, such as 23, 24, and 2025. So there you go then. 3-stage approach. That's going to be more important than ever, particularly with the volatility in the macroeconomy, because what's happening is it's causing a lot more people to panic, to trade, and the fund managers are going to get caught out. They're going to get caught out because they will want to show their clients they're doing something, and that means they're going to end up trading in and out, and they're going to get wrong-footed because, quite frankly, neither the US president nor the ruler of Iran is going to discuss with your fund manager what their next move is. So your fund manager is now being asked from being a music graduate, they usually are liberal arts graduates, to suddenly being a political economist, which they have no training, skill, or ability. So your fund is going to suffer. Now, for those who don't move and the fund manager just doesn't change and keeps holding what they've got, the problem there you've got is that they're going to have very little money in a lot of companies. They're going to maybe invest in 100 different companies and have roughly 1% in each. So if they do happen to get a good quality company, then it's not going to move the needle on your portfolio because they've only invested 1% of their capital in that, and it's one of several funds your IFA or fund manager sold you. So you might have 0.1% in a good quality company. Therein lies the problem. And it's why people such as myself many years ago, who knew all of this, lobbied the government to make sure they created SIPs and ISAs so that we could manage our own pensions. You might say it's the sort of Sunday Times reader or the Sunday Telegraph reader types who always were in the know and pushed governments for it before. I mean, they used to be called something else before they were called SIPs. They were really created for people like us to stay ahead, who knew if you got a proper process, you're better off doing it yourself than giving the money to fund managers who basically rip off the mass market of retail clients. If you'd like to learn more, the link is on the screen. Thank you.